Have you ever wanted to start investing, but then open a website, saw all the financial terms, and immediately closed it? If that is you, you're not alone. The biggest obstacle to investing isn't a lack of money, it's feeling overwhelmed before you even begin. My name is Victoria Wozu. I am here in Toronto, Canada. I teach people, families, professionals, healthcare professionals how to create wealth, build wealth, and make it formidable to help you retire early and wealthy. If today is your first time joining us on this channel, please like, share, subscribe, and then turn on the notification button. So one big thing I've noticed over the years is that many people think successful investors know everything. That's a lie. The truth is they didn't start with all the answers. They started by asking the right questions. Investing isn't about trying to predict the future. It's about making thoughtful decisions that support the future that you want to build. So before you start thinking about where to invest your money, take a step back and ask yourself 3 simple questions. What am I investing for? Is it buying a home? Helping my children in the future? Retirement? Or simply creating more financial freedom? Your goals should always come before your investment choices. That is the priority. So when you know your destination, it is much more easier to choose the right path. So here's something I often remind my clients. You don't have to invest perfectly. You just need to invest intentionally. Avoid comparing yourself with someone else's journey. Focus on building good habits, learning as you go, and making decisions that fit your own life, not someone else's success story on social media. So the best investors aren't the ones who know every financial term. They don't. They are the ones who stay curious, keep learning, and remain consistent over time. So if today's video made investing feel a little less intimidating, then you've already taken the first step. So thank you for coming by. Don't fail to share this video with your friends, with your neighbors, with your accomplices, and your colleagues at a place of work as well, so that they can learn as well and feel less intimidated when it comes to investing. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.